Today we're gonna be setting this tub. Here's the tub box. There's the waste. The way I do it is you find yourself a nice clean corner. You wanna make sure it's level. So bam, we're level. We're in the corner. We need to make a mark. Roughly on center, the best we can. Go a little round and round. And right there is gonna be the number of your waste and overflow off the wall. From there and there, whatever that number is where we're gonna set our waste and overflow over there in the air, floating. So that way when we set the tub, it'll line right up. That's the goal. So whenever you're setting the tub on slab, do this. All right, a random corner in the house. Set your tub up in there, level it up, make that mark, and take that measurement. The other thing you didn't know is what it is to the bottom. And in this situation, it's like hardly nothing. So I would call it flush with the concrete. So after you move the tub, this is what you're left with. And we know, we call it 15.5 from the back wall. And from the front wall, rock in 8 3. We're gonna install this overflow on the tub. So this mark right here is where we want this. So when this is set up, that will be sitting on that center line, just like that. Our tub box was off a little bit, so we'll jackhammer this up and get this sitting down flush. If I put the center of this at 8 3/4, it'll give me a number for this. This would be 8 3/4 to center, which puts that to 2.5 to center. And this part is the part that's gonna hook into the trap. The trap comes into the bottom of this T here. So if this is 8 3/4 and this is 2.5, that means I want my riser coming out of the trap 2.5 inches off this back wall. And if we nail that, then that should put our waste and overflow waste at exactly 8 3/4 out by 15.5. All right, committed now. I think this is gonna get it right here though. 15.5 by 2.5. See, that's exactly where we want it right there. So we know it'll work. Let's glue it up. The most critical part about running a P-trap is to make sure that this street 90 is level this way, left to right. Because if this ain't level, your trap will be off. If you glue this 90 on without leveling and it's cocked like that, then your trap is going to be cocked like that. So you want to make sure that this first initial level, or 90, is level. Now I know that I wanted this to be sitting flush with the concrete. All right, so in order to make that happen, we know that this is concrete. And the difference between that being concrete and this being in the pipe, 3 1/4. So we know that we want to cut our riser, this riser here, 3 1/4 below the concrete. We put this flush with concrete. Okay, let's try that. I'll call it 11. 11 minus 1, 2, 3 1/4 would be 7 3/4. This riser right here should be 7 3/4, and that would put our waste flush to the concrete. If our calculations are correct, it should all be working out right now. All right, guys, I think this is good. 15.5 by 8 3/4. I wanted a strong 8 3/4, so I went a little heavy. Give that a little bit of play. As far as I know, bro, this should be it right here. Let's give it a whirl. All right, guys, I got the tub in the slot, lined up, so we could roll this bad boy in and see how we did on our calculations. So if our calculations are correct, we should nail this waste and overflow. Here we go. Roll this down. Ooh, ooh, ow, hitting the valve. Hold on, we're hitting the valve. Here we go. Rolling it in. I'm gonna miss the valve. Oh yeah, barely missed the valve. Bam. Look at that. That's on point. Oh, that's on point. We nailed it, y'all. It's perfect. We just mix some mud, set it in mortar, screw off the edges, and it's ready to go. Rolled in nice. It takes these little clips right here on each corner. One there, one there. One there. And one there. So we'll screw this bad boy off, put the trim on, and call it a day. Alright, first things first. After we get the tub in the hole, we have to put this rubber in here. You don't want to forget this rubber. It'll never seal. Place that rubber right there. Bam. And you see here, we got it puttied.
Yeah.
We got it doped.
Yeah.
We've got all the goods.
Yeah.
You always want to get a clean start on these threads too, man. You do not want to cross. You want to go clean. And that's how you set a tub on slab. Not that bad. Valves roughed in, ready to go. Toilet right there. Double vanity right here.